Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of this rather handsome 2016 Audi A3 S-Line Saloon. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower while still returning up to 57 miles per gallon. An insurance group of 25, and the car's covered just over 28,000 miles. This particular colour is called Daytona Grey, and it's in really good condition, fair to mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, first of all, you've got the S-Line seats there, which are half leather. They're really supportive, and an armrest there for the driver in the centre. A few features worth mentioning: you've got your pop-up display that comes out the top of the dashboard there for your satellite navigation, Bluetooth and DAB radio, and this car also has the Bang & Olufsen sound system as well as an upgrade, as well as the cruise control behind the steering wheel, and you've also got the automatic headlights and wipers. As we open the rear doors, you've got the 3 individual seat belts on the rear bench, and rear passengers have their own 12-volt socket there in the centre with their own individual air vents. And I see that the car's still got the original Audi carpet floor mats as well, so that's good to see. The first owner also chose rear parking sensors and the 18-inch matte diamond cut alloy wheels, so they look really nice. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance at just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.